Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here from the Worship Keyboard Tutorial YouTube channel, where we give you tips and tricks to help you with your worship keyboard ministry. This is the third and final video in a series that we're calling Let the Melody Guide Your Chords. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell so that you can be aware of future videos. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Alright, if you're ready, let's get started. So I came across this melodic anomaly in the song 10,000 Reasons. And when I found it and started working on it and adjusting my chord, I actually found this anomaly in other songs like Oh Praise the Name, which we'll look at also in this video. So let's look at this melodic note. It happens in each of the verses of 10,000 Reasons towards the end. So we're in the key of G, and we have our 1 chord, G, our 4 chord, C, and our 5 chord, D. We also have that D sus chord, so that D sus resolving to D to the G. So if I start in the end there, it's let me be singing when the evening comes. Now that melody note descends from the 3rd, the 2nd, and the 1st of the G major scale, B, A, and G. But that first note on evening is the B, but it's against a D sus chord. And it's on a strong beat. It's actually the downbeat of that 2-4. E, you hear how that's outside of the chord. So I always like to adjust my chord to accommodate that. So I will pop my A up to the B, which really technically makes it a G over D chord, resolving to the D chord and then my 1 chord. So I have, let me be singing when the evening comes. You can even hear it if I don't sing the melody. So I have that B in the melody. I'm adjusting this chord to a B over D, to the D, and then to my G chord. As I mentioned, the other song that I found this in was Oh Praise the Name. So Oh Praise the Name originally is in C. So we have a 1 chord, which is C, the 4 chord F, our 5 chord is G, also that G sus. There's also in this section an A minor. Now we're in chorus 1B of this, and this is where we find that same anomaly. So we have the melody note, which goes down from the 3rd, 2nd, 1st of the C major scale, against that 5 sus chord. Lord our God. The word Lord, that's on a strong beat. It's on beat 3. That is a strong beat. So it's Lord. There's the melody note, but the chord is only G, C, and D. Lord. So I adjust my chord to accommodate that note. Lord our God. Now you can even hear it if I don't sing the melody. Well, I'd love to hear in the comments below how these videos have been helping you, and maybe if you have found some other songs that have these melodic anomalies. And if you missed the first 2 videos, you can check them out right here. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.